one would think that after testing out OLAPLEX 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, I forgot the 4P and the OLAPLEX 4-in-1. That would be it for this series and for the OLAPLEX system, but think again. Introducing OLAPLEX number 9, Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. This very generous 90 ml 3.0 fluid ounce product promises setting shine, anti-tangle, anti-static, style memory, and bounce back curls. But not only that, it also is a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, and it promises 48 hours of protection against pollution damage. So nobody could argue, I guess, that it sounds oh so good on paper, but will it actually deliver? What we're going to do is a with and without situation. I am basically going to be applying this on the left side, my left side, your right side, and I am going to be letting it air dry. My hair is the worst. I'm a freeze ball. Then we're going to blow dry, and after all of that, we should be able to figure out together whether it's actually worth the money or you're better off without it. Oh, look at this. What is up, my people? Welcome. So you already know the plan for today. Let's get on to the good part, the application, of course. So earrings, Scrunchie, and Robe are going to be linked in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe if you think you'd like to see my face again. If you don't, that's fine. I completely understand it, but know that you'll be missed. So it says apply a small amount to towel dried hair, working upward from ends to roots, which makes sense because you're gonna have less product on your hands by the time you get to the roots. So it doesn't say exactly what a small amount would be. Let's see how much a pump is. Some air. There you go. Ooh, feels so nice and luxurious. Ooh, it's really slimy. There's something really, really satisfying. And smells so good. It smells like OLAPLEX number 6, that kind of citric tangerine scent that I love. So far, so good. So we're gonna start, as it says, with the ends and work it, work it. Yeah, I have to agree, it's very, very lightweight. So far, I'd say someone with thinner hair would have no issue. I wonder what it would do to my hair. It's kind of medium, you know, somewhere in between thick and thin. I think I'm gonna do one more pump just because my hair is getting longer and I also wanted to do that one more time. So like I said, I'm gonna let this air dry and see what it does on its own. The only one thing we're not going to be testing out for this particular video is using a diffuser and scrunching up so that I get more defined bouncy curls that they're promising, but that could come in a separate video if you guys are up for it, if you're interested. I forgot to mention this product is 100% silicone free. Dare say this is the very first silicone-free product ever launched by OLAPLEX, and why not scrunch it up a little bit? Why not? Just a little bit. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna scrunch this side, but of course it has no product. So you must be wondering, if it doesn't have silicones like so many styling products, then what does it have? That's exactly my question. So apparently red algae extract, an all-natural ingredient, is supposed to act as a shield and a barrier against pollutants, seal those pollutants out while smoothing out the hair cuticle, which is exactly what I need. And it is this exact ingredient that's also responsible for preventing tangles, static, and breakage. Honestly, for me, it's all about manageability, taming my wild natural hair texture. But I know that static is also an issue for so many people. When I put on a sweater or something, I can see some static, but it's not something I normally struggle with. If you've tried this product and you struggle with static, I'm very, very curious to know if it actually helped you. I'm gonna clip my bangs on both sides, and I will be back in just a little bit with the air dried results. All right, are you guys ready? Let's focus. The side with and the side without. So I have a few things to say for context. When I go around my house looking like this, my husband always says, "Oh, you look so cute, did you curl your hair?" And I'm like, no, mi amor, I totally fooled you all these 16 years. Wash, blow dry immediately after. So it's like he literally thought I had straighter hair. With the only one exception of summertime and a beach location, I very, very rarely wear my hair like this. And again, why am I even mentioning this? And that's because I am going to be slightly biased. It's not the favorite look on me. I have a couple of notes. First of all, the side without the product has dried quicker. So I can see where they were going with the sealing cuticle effect, and that probably is sealing in some of that humidity. Also, let's address the elephant in the room. This side is extra frizzy and undefined. There's a lot more definition. Didn't even take the proper time to use a diffuser and diffuse with my head upside down and all those wavy girl tricks. It feels a bit like a gel that has created a soft cast around the waves. It's clearly, I would say, 80% less frizzy than this side. I don't know if you agree. Let me know in the comments below. It also does feel softer and a little bit more hydrated. I wonder if I can break the bit of a cast. So I can tell you already, just based on these first tests and these air dried results, this could be a very nice, you know, beach vacation companion for me. So let's go ahead and blow dry, dampen my hair a little bit more so that we are able to reshape it. I'm really curious to see if I would like number 9 better than I do. The combination between OLAPLEX number 7 and number 6 could be helpful for some of you who already own OLAPLEX number 6 and number 7 and are wondering if you should replace it or if you're good with the duo you already have. One more thing, I'm going to do first the side without the product, and then finally I'm going to blow dry the side that has the OLAPLEX number 9. Okay, I'm done with the side that has 0 OLAPLEX number 9. Now let's move on to the interesting part and see if there's actually a difference. Okay, we're done. Time to compare. So once again, this is the side with the OLAPLEX number 9, and this is the side with nothing, just blow dried, no product. Like, look at that. Do you see that? You guys, do you see the difference? Looks healthier, smoother, silkier. This side is bouncier. It's like more alive, definitely more sealed, definitely a lot more frizz-free. Not 100%, but very, very close to that. I cannot feel any product. All I'm wondering right now is how long lasting these results will be. It seems to be holding on to styling better, and it's smoother, feels more hydrated. So promising. I hope that these results hung on. And today is a partially cloudy day and we have 71% humidity. It's not the highest, but it's still enough to show us if the product is actually shielding the hair from that humidity and hence preventing it to go like that when in contact with the air. I'm going to be running some errands, so I'm going to be able to assess that. When I edit, I'm going to be inserting right here a clip of tomorrow's update to see how day 2 looks, and we're gonna be able to see one versus the other with and without one more time, but just, you know, see if it endures the test of time or not. I don't know. Weirdest weather today because it's mostly cloudy and then you have this like very fine rain coming, super annoying rain coming down. So definitely there's tons of humidity, which explains how my hair looks quite a bit puffier, if I may say so, on both sides. I don't think it's cheating if I detangle because there was some wind involved as well, so I want to kind of assess the situation as good as possible. So there you go. Okay, so yeah, definitely humidity took a toll on my hair on both sides, but I think it's pretty safe to say that it still looks smoother and sleeker on this side, and also yeah, it kind of feels smoother and a little bit like more hydrated. So I don't know what it does, but after a little bit of rain, tons of humidity, still looks better and bouncier, I think. Let me know in the comments below if you disagree. For now, still loving it. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Clearly, I am pre-filming this outro. All in all, I'm going to give this OLAPLEX number 9 vegan, silicone-free, and also good smoothing serum a thumbs up. I'm actually pretty impressed and I can't wait to test it out in other ways. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch up with you all again on my next one.